Hi, if you're new here, my name is Samantha, and for those who've been watching, welcome back. I recently traveled to Paris, and of course when I'm in Paris, it means shopping. Last year when I went to Italy, I was debating between two Celine bags, the Ava bag or the Boston bag, and ended up buying the Ava bag. And I can leave the unboxing video above and below in the description if you are interested in watching. So this year, I went back to Celine and treated myself to the small Boston bag. So let's get started with the unboxing. From what I noticed from my past few purchases from Celine is that their handbags does not come in a box. It only comes in a dust bag, but their smaller items like their card holders and wallets does come in a box, which I don't personally mind just because it is a little bit more environmentally friendly. So taking this out from the bag, this is the Small Boston in Triomphe Canvas and calfskin. This is what it looks like. It has the Celine logo all over the bag. And on the side, it also has the Celine Paris logo in gold finishing and gold hardware. And also gold zipper hardware. I actually prefer this over the LV Speedy because I like the darker brown finish, where the LV one has like a lighter brown color. And on top of the bag, it has two handles. And I like how it doesn't just stay up, you could also put it down. I tend to gravitate towards bags that has a zipper because it feels more secure. Since I live in New York City, you never know what's gonna happen as you're commuting around. So once you open the bag, this is what the inside looks like. It comes with a removable and adjustable strap. So you see here, there's different length of how you could adjust your strap, and it comes with also gold hardware, and you could attach it to the side of the bags. For the inside, I do leave the stuffing in my bag because my essay told me to leave the stuffing in the bag because it will help maintain the structure when I'm not using it. Although the bag do has some structure to it, it's pretty flexible, as you can see as I'm pressing it down. So that does give me more room to fit more stuff in here because it's not so like stiff. And then on the inside, there's not much in there. There's only one flat pocket. I do wish that there was another pocket on the other side, because I am that type of girly who likes to put small items in these pockets, like my chapstick, lipstick, mints, etc. And as I mentioned earlier, you could attach the straps to the side, right here. I do like how there are different ways to carry this bag, either with the crossbody strap, on the shoulder, or like on your arms, like this. Retail for this bag when I got this in Paris is 1,400 euros, which is around $1,560. But if I were to buy this in US, it would have been $1,750, and this is before tax. What do you think of this bag? Would you buy this as well? Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!